Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Reagan, and if you are new here, I want to thank you for joining. So today what I'm going to be doing is unbagging my Yes Oh Yes bag. And this month the theme is Miami Art Deco. It does come with a little paper form that kind of tells you what everything is and what it breaks down to. So let's see here. Now I do have a little bit of makeup on already, but I still can use some of these items in here. So the first thing we're going to look at is the Nomad Cosmetics Havana eyeshadow. This is in the color La Playa, and this is what it looks like. Once it focuses, there we go. So it has a little bit of shimmer to it, so I think that this will end up being a really good brow and inner corner highlight. So we're gonna try that out there real quick. Yeah, that's nice. It's not too blinding, but it works really well with the other color that I already have on. Alright, so the next item that we have in the bag is from L.E.D Cosmetics. This is a baked highlighter. This is in the color Do Me. So this is kind of like a purple looking highlight, and it looks very glittery. Looks like it has a lot of glitter in it. I cannot say that word to save my life. So this baked highlighter is purple with a lot of glitter, but we're going to see how it works on the skin and how much that purple actually shows up. That is really nice though. I am not mad at it at all. Like that came out. Look at that freaking highlight there on my cheekbone. Hello. For it being a baked highlighter, I did not think it was going to have that much payoff on it. But yeah, okay. I like you. Alright. So, I honestly don't remember if I told you what this retailed for. This retails for $18. This one retails for $12. Alright, so the next thing that we have is an eyeliner, which oddly enough, this is perfect for what I already have on my eyes for my eyeshadow, so that works out great. I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. This eyeliner, sorry, is from Sorme Cosmetics, and it retails for $18, and it is in the color teal. So we're gonna put this on the waterline. Ooh, this is pretty. Let me zoom you in. It is like super creamy, glides on really easy, and hella pigmented. Like, that is nice. Super nice. Alright. So the next thing that is in the bag is from Laritzy Cosmetics. I don't even know. Laritzy. You pronounce that. Lip liner. This is in the color Retro Red. So we're going to go ahead. And I like the pencils. The lip pencils. They tend to work really well. Again, glides on very smooth. Alright, that retails for $18 if I didn't say that. And then the last thing in the bag is from Cosmoholic liquid lipstick with LED light. I really like these because they have a mirror on them, so that's really nice. And then when you open it up, I don't know if you can see there, but it actually has a light, so that way you can see what you are doing while you're putting it on. Now that mirror is very tiny, and I think it has a film over it. I can't tell. Yeah, it does. That's why I can't see. Get that film off. So you could actually just use it just like this. So it comes in handy if you're in the club or something like that, or in a dark area, but you still want to touch up your lips. You have a mirror and a light all within the lipstick. Now this color is it actually doesn't have a name by it, or a color name to it, so I don't even know what the color is, but it's almost kind of like a peachy color. It goes okay with the lip liner. I think the lip liner is a little bit dark for it, but it works out. So the overall retail value for this box was $91 or bag, and I only pay $15 for the bag itself. So that is like a huge price gap there. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. Also, if you use my code HUNNI, H-U-N-N-I, you can get 10% off of your order. That's just out there for you because I am an ambassador for the brand. However, I do still purchase the bag myself. They're not giving it to me for free, so they're not paying for my review. I am giving it to you on my own, so this is my honest feeling about it. The lipstick, I do like the whole feature of the mirror with the light in it. I don't care for the color. It's not a color that I would use, and it's not matte, so that's just a whole preference for me. But the whole overall of it is not bad. The lip liner I absolutely love. This highlighter, I'm in like, what the crap, this highlighter. And this eyeshadow, I really liked it, and it's cruelty free. I don't think I mentioned that, so that's really nice. And this liner, this eyeliner is super freaking awesome as well, and it is a smear proof eyeliner, so I'm going to put that to the test with it being in my waterline. So I thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be reminded the next time that I upload. I again thank you for watching, and you have a great day.